Hello everyone.
Hi guys. Just give us a minute or two. We'll get started right now. Be patient, please.
Okay, then I believe we can start now. So, hello everyone. I am Amansari based TCET. Today we will be discussing.
Okay, so every one of you are excited to learn cloud today. Yes. So
Oh yes, I guess they are.
yeah. So welcome to our info session to Google Cloud campaign, and here we would be discussing about the cloud and about how you can enroll yourself into the program. So we have here with here Jayesh Potla Bhattini, the Google Cloud Facilitator of GDSC TCET. Also, he is the technical head of Sort Club, and also been working as a full stack developer for a long time, and also worked in a various startup companies. So, welcome, Jesh.
Hi guys. Nice to join you here. Thanks for this opportunity. And I'll be sharing this. Oh, Anam is back. Hi Anam.
Did I miss something? Sorry, I got disconnected.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, Jesh, go on with the presentation.
Yes, so let's see what is cloud. It's basically someone else's computer hosting your code. So let's just get back to the first use case. So let's say you created a website, a basic website, which is in your computer. Now you want whole world to watch your website, right? So that's what basically cloud is. You host your code in someone else's computer, which is active 24 hours for others to check it, for others availability. So that's what basically cloud is, and it has many features, which we will talk later in our sessions. Let's go to the next slide.
Yeah.
So why will we learn cloud? Why you as a student, as a developer should learn cloud? So first is it is very flexible for developers. The features created, the APIs, SDKs created for developers are very good. And the many almost 95% of organizations have switched to cloud computing. So they do need many developers, many cloud developers, and they are providing high figure salaries. The jobs are always increasing, and it is a challenging field because innovation in cloud is rapid than any other industry. The features and new innovations coming in cloud are very quick, so it is a very challenging field to keep up with. Also, it is very suitable for startups. The startups, they need a very affordable tools to start with, right? So it is very suitable for startups to use cloud. Further, Rishikesh will continue.
Yeah, I would like to add few more points to why we should learn cloud. So, as there are various services provided by the GCP, and you can have your database and virtual machine into the cloud, and you don't need to uh, much worry about related to the storage part. Okay, even you can do the data analytics stuff there itself. You can just store a millions of the records and just do complex queries into that, and it really provides a optimal solution, as it really gives you the result in a very minimal time. Okay, so like you can do the data analytics in the BigQuery as a BigQuery services. Also, you can deploy your machine learning model. You can set up the machine learning pipeline there, and also you can use the pre-built machine learning models. So you just need to integrate with your application. Okay, and you're good to go to use that models. You don't need to worry much about the other stuff. Okay, the other features which are provided by the GCP are the security, the networking, management tools, and there are like many more. So the main reason which we see here why to learn cloud, as it provides a various of features, and also the points which Jayesh has pointed out, and also we are observing now that many businesses and organizations are like transforming or going towards the cloud space. So what's the reason for that? The main reason is reduction of cost, as moving towards the serverless technology. Okay, really saves a lot of cost of organizations or companies. So like how it saves the cost, as if you need to store a lot of data, you need to have a lot of servers in your organization, and that servers requires a lot of space. So a lot of space, and also you need to have a frequent maintenance of that server. So all together really like creates a lot of depth for the organization, and going towards the serverless really saves the space as well as the cost for the maintenance. The second here is it increases the efficiency of the organization, as cloud provides the flexibility and scalability. So you don't need to also worry about the running out of the space and like that stuff. The third, the most important part that no organization would like to have is going down. Okay, and cloud services provides the multiple backups of servers at different location, which makes it more reliable and consistent. The four, which is the most important part, is serverless technology, and serverless technology is the key feature of cloud. And having a serverless technology makes sure like the developer don't need to much worry about the maintenance and the infrastructure part. They need to more focus on the development part. So it really helps businesses to do a rapid innovation and work more efficiently, rather than having like wasting a lot of time on building the infrastructure. So these are all the points which we need to take care of, like how important is to learn the cloud, and why businesses are going towards the cloud space. So next we can see here is Google Cloud Campaign. So Google Cloud Campaign is an opportunity provided by GDSC to the students, so that they can assess the resources and the labs and can use this services of Google Cloud to understand it in a more better way. Okay, so in Google Cloud Campaign, you would be provided with free Google Cloud Skill Boost credits, and you can do the practice there. You can solve the labs. You can get the access of the courses, and there are like lot of many stuffs that we will be discussing further on. So now Anam will give you the tour of what should what you should keep in your mind while doing the registration, and what are the necessary details of the Google Cloud Campaign.
Okay. Thank you, Rishikesh. Now, the Google Cloud campaign this year will start from 14th November to 21st December. Now, this is the whole timeline of the Google Cloud campaign, and the official registrations will begin from tomorrow itself, which is 3rd, and it will end on 6th November. Now, this year, if I talk about this year, the whole registration process has been changed and it is totally not similar to the one that we had last year. This year, from each campus, only 100 students will be allowed to be part of that program. And these 100 students should be strictly from the campus itself. They cannot be from any other colleges or anyone outside the colleges. Now, if I talk about the registration process, after the live stream has ended, you will receive a G form or a Google form on the WhatsApp groups that we have created, and you have to fill those forms by 11:30 in the morning next day. So that is the deadline of filling that form, and the details are only basic details will be asked, such as your name, email, your branch, and everything, and your UID, and a Google Cloud Boost account. That's all that we'll be asking in the Google form, and you have to submit it by 11:30 tomorrow, 11:30 in the morning. Okay, and after that we will review your application and we will make sure that you're from the college itself. If somebody is applying from the outside college, we will straightly disqualify that person. And after that, first 100 students will be sent a mail from our official account regarding the next steps of the registration on how you can be part of the program. Now, while filling the form, make sure that the email that you're giving is correct, because that's where you'll be receiving the next steps of the program. If I talk about the necessary requirements, you will need to create an active or a fresh CloudBoost public profile, which you'll have to fill that. And as I said, first 100 correctly filled registrations will be only accepted. And whatever links that are shared in the group related to Google Cloud shouldn't go outside of the group, because this program is strictly for the campus itself. And if I give you a demo of what exactly a CloudBoost public profile looks like, Jayesh will show you how it is.
Yes, so let's start here. Start from root, right? How to create a Cloud Skill Boost account, a fresh Cloud Skill Boost account. If you search Google
We are
Cloud
also
Skill Boost, let's go to the first link. So any account logged in which has not been already signed in will be shown this. So quick labs. I think Rishikesh will continue talking.
yeah. So we will post this link of Google Cloud Skill Boost. There you can make your profile or just search Google Cloud Skill Boost. You will be redirected to this page. Then you need to sign up there. Jesh, do the sign out and then yeah.
Okay, let's try a completely new account.
Yeah.
Let's sign in with Google. And let's do my dad's account. I have used
Like
all my accounts.
you need to create your account with the Google like Gmail account only with the use of Gmail account.
Yep. And this Gmail account should be the same you provide in the registration form.
Yeah.
So once you choose an account, you will be displayed this terms of services. Just fill the non-robot form. If you're willing to read it, just read it. Who reads it? After you accept the conditions, what you
Yeah.
need to do is go to profile, make
And you need
badge
to click
public.
yeah.
Yes, this is a very important step to have all the features. to register for Google Cloud campaign. Make profile public. So you will get this link. This is
You
same
need to
as
pay.
this.
You need to paste this link in the into the Google form that we will be providing, and it's the necessary step. Okay, so if you have the account previously, like if you have participated in any type of uh, quick labs contest or anything like that, then that account would not be acceptable. Okay, if you just submit that Google Cloud Skill Boost account link, then you would be disqualified from the program. So you need to create a fresh account. Okay, that account should be fresh, and your profile should be public, and you need to submit this link to the Google form.
So this link right here is most important. And the another thing is you should have not been enrolled in the same Google Cloud campaign earlier. So make a new profile, make a new account, whichever works with you. Just make the profile public and paste this link in the registration form wherever it is asked.
Yeah. So here
That's
there is one question: should it be G Suite ID or personal? So you need to create your Google Cloud
personal.
Skill Boost account with the Gmail account only. So it should be personal. But while registering the
Yes.
form, the form would require the your TCET email to access the form.
TCETmumbai.in email should be
And in
the
that form,
account
you'll
in which
also
the
need to
form should be
submit
filled.
your, yeah. And also you in that form you need to submit your personal Gmail ID also.
Right.
I hope the steps are clear.
I hope there is no confusion between using the TCET's ID and your personal ID. Your personal ID is the ID you create the Cloud Boost account. Your TCET ID is the ID you fill the registration form with.
Yeah.
You will you will realize it that you can't fill the form in on any other account. We have restricted it to the organization's TCET's account.
If you still have any doubt in the procedure, then you can contact to our
Yes.
team via Discord channel or via WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I just give you the form that you'll be getting after the live stream, you have to, when you open the form, you have to be logged in with your G Suite ID only, because that's how we will recognize that you're from our college. You have to give us your UID, full name, and this personal email is really important because this is where you'll be getting the acceptance mails or whatever mail that you'll be getting. So make sure this is active and make sure you're checking it continuously tomorrow. And after that you have to provide us with the public profile link that right now Jayesh demoed how to get that link. And when you sign up for that account, make sure you use the same link as you're submitting here, the personal email. So this are the things that you have to make sure to fill the form. After you fill the form, you will hear from us by tomorrow evening, and after that you can go to the next steps for the registration will be which will be stated in the email itself. Now the form that I just shared, that shouldn't go outside the college, because this program is exclusively for our campus and other campuses which have GDSC. So make sure that it doesn't go out.
Okay.
So
So
this was all about the registration process. If I talk about the last part, which is just of future events, I believe Jayesh will continue that.
yes, so we'll be doing sessions from 14th November to 21st December. There will be live sessions on YouTube. You will be provided with Cloud Skill Boost voucher code, which will apply to get credits to use the sessions, to use the labs, and more information will Rishikesh, you want to contribute?
Yeah, like during the duration of 14 November to 21st December, we would be having a multiple series of an cloud event where we will explore more of to our like the services, the career in Google Cloud, and like a lot of case study stuffs. We'll get to know more soon. Then, like as Jayesh told that if you got selected, like after getting enrolled into the program, you will be provided with a code which will which will be helpful to avail the credits. And by using the by having a credit, you can use like it for having for solving the labs on quick labs, and also to have an assess of courses in that. And also like there are a lot of stuffs to share about, and we will be sharing it soon in our induction session.
I think let's move to Q&A. So let's ask the necessary questions first. So Anam, when will we get the link?
Yeah, so the link will be given just after the live stream, and that will be the GForm link. I see one someone has asked about the G Suite ID, like the college ID again. When you open the GForm, you have to be logged in with the college ID itself. But in the form itself, when we are asking for personal email, make sure you submit that email only, that which is your personal email. Don't submit the college ID again. Now, I guess everyone can start asking questions in the chat.
I also have questions, Anam. So what is the time due date for filling this form, which we will get after this live stream?
The due date is tomorrow by 11:30. You have to fill. The details are pretty
11:30
basic,
a.m.
which can, yes, 11:30 a.m. Yes, the details are really basic, which can be filled in 5 minutes. Only Google Cloud Boost account will take 2-3 minutes more, and after that you will, if you are selected, if then you will get the next steps, and to complete those steps you will have till 6th November.
Yes. So also fill the form correctly. It is very important. Only 100 people are going to get selected. So make sure you fill the form correctly. We'll be checking every details by ourselves.
Yeah.
Questions.
So feel free to ask any question or any queries related to the program. Do you have? So here there is a comment. I am from different college, but I want to participate in the campaign. Can I do it via you? So Anam, would you like to answer this question?
As we mentioned previously, this is only for the our campus itself. If your college doesn't have GDSC, I'm sorry to inform you, but you cannot participate this time because of that.
Yes. So Anam, you also said that we'll get another registration link tomorrow evening if we get
Yeah,
selected
yeah.
in.
I will. Yes, I will elaborate on that. I see a lot of doubts coming in. Can you pin that to the screen here? So yeah. So the first one is I had a doubt. Say I had two Gmail accounts. Both have been utilized for GCP programs. So do I need to create a new different email to be to for that? I guess. Maybe Rishikesh, I guess you can take this
Yeah.
question.
So particularly for this program, you need to have a fresh account. So if you have been enrolled into various different programs of GCP, then that might result into a disqualification if you use that Google Cloud Boost profile link. So if you really want to participate again into this program and want to learn more, then you need to create a new Gmail account, and then you need to create that Google Cloud Skill Boost profile link there, and then you need to register.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will selection be done on first come first basis? Exactly. Selection will be done on first come first basis. We'll select first 100 people with correctly filled details, and we'll be
So
sending them
first
the,
come, first serve. Okay, full correctly fill. So
yes,
make sure you
Yeah.
exactly.
don't make mistakes.
Is there
Yes.
any prerequisite other than Google Skill Cloud? So for the form that we'll send now, you just have to fill this thing. But after you are selected in your email, you'll get a one more form in which there might be case that you might need to fill more details. And don't worry for that form. If you're selected, you'll have the deadline as 6th November. So you'll have ample of time to collect the details.
Could
Will you show how
you
you
help
made it?
me? could you show you how you made your
All
cloud
right,
profile public
all
again?
right.
You can replay the video, I guess, because
Yeah.
now we need to create one more Gmail account and then we need to have that. Okay,
Yeah,
because
that's
that step would not be repeated. That's why you need to replay the video. If you encountered any issue, you can directly contact us.
yeah. Live
Yeah,
stream
Yes,
will
we are
be
always
uploaded.
available.
yeah. I had participated last time in Google Cloud campaign. Can I use the same Quick Lab profile? No, as I said earlier, that you need to create a new or fresh account which is not being used previously. So, can you just give a short idea what Google campaign will look like? So, how does it work? You will be provided with a duration of a time and also the access to the like a type of a subscription to the platform. Okay, and you will be provided with like the various labs that you need to complete. Okay, and like you would be having access to the whole platform, so you can learn whatever you want to learn, the various labs you can do or the various courses. So you will be provided with the labs, and the labs have the speculated time. Like during that time only, you need to complete that labs, and that lab is like, for an example, there is a lab of a virtual machine. So you in that lab there will be a tutorial and a lab. So you need to follow the tutorial and learn like how to create virtual machine into the cloud. I hope I gave you the gist of how it works.
Also, parallelly, we'll be running some sessions along with the campaign. So, we will try our best to teach you whatever the campaign is about, and we'll try to solve your doubts accordingly in college itself. Maybe it will be online or offline, depending upon the logistics.
Yeah.
Um, Next question.
So what is the validity of GCP credits? So as soon as like you are enrolled into the program, you will be provided with a like a mail having a code with, and by having a code like after applying that code, you will get the subscription of that platform. So till the program is there, the validity of GCP credits will be there.
So basically, 14th November to 21st December, right?
Yeah.
Will there be any offline sessions, or everything will be online? Now, we will try our best to take our offline session, but it also depends upon the logistics that we'll try to fit with, so we cater to all the students. If not, there will be online sessions and offline sessions both. For now, I can say that, but soon you'll be getting notifications about that.
So, what exciting can we expect this time? Will there be some hands-on things to buy you guys? Okay. So yeah, we would be having a series of an event related to cloud, and we would be demonstrating you like by solving any type of case study or by performing a hands-on. So it we will give you the like we will make sure that you would explore the Google Cloud in a better manner, and of course by doing a hands-on session. So are there any prerequisites for joining the campaign? So as in prerequisite, I don't think so there is anything like that.
You have to be a student of TCET.
Yes, and you have to create a Google Cloud Boost fresh account.
Yeah.
So if you all have more questions, just try to ask them now only, and we'll uh, answer your questions.
I guess all the queries are solved.
Yes. So with that, I believe we can come to the end of the live stream. Thank you everyone for joining us. And if you have anything still queries, you can ask us on the WhatsApp groups that we have. and we'll see you there. And we are so excited for this Google Cloud campaign. Uh, and we okay. I see more questions.
Yeah. Okay. When and
The
where will
Google
the yeah go on?
Yeah, the Google Forms will be floated in the respective groups that we have created for the GDSC. Just stay tuned there. Just move on to the next question. Okay, there are exams for third year till 8th December. What about okay? So we have considered this because we don't want to clash with your exam preparation along with the campaign. That's why you will be getting a notification regarding that, and we will be specifically creating the session timings or dates which does not clash with your exams. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. I guess we can take the last question. Okay, then we will end the session. Thank you everyone for joining, and you'll soon hear from us in the GDSC group. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye,
you everyone
guys.
for joining.
Excited